We want to tell you about the new way that hearing services will be delivered after the 1st of July 2020. For many people, there will be no change. The Australian Government's Hearing Services Program, also known as the HSP, make hearing devices, batteries and repairs available at no cost to people under 26 and others who meet the HSP rules. This hearing arrangement will not change. Hearing Australia, which used to be called Australian Hearing, will still be the only provider for HSP clients under 21 years old. Some HSP clients aged 21 to 25 will be able to choose between different HSP providers. The NDIS is here to support people who do not meet the HSP rules, but who still need hearing services. These people can request access to the NDIS at any time. The NDIS will provide funding for hearing supports that are considered reasonable and necessary under its rules. The NDIS can also fund other disability-related supports for HSP clients if they are not available from the HSP. One example of this might be a flashing alarm for your home. Some people under 26 may have NDIS plans with interim hearing supports. The NDIS will contact these participants to discuss their plans, and the HSP will continue to fund these supports. Some NDIS participants who will not qualify for the HSP may have something called an HSP voucher. This voucher will remain valid until it expires or is cancelled by the participant in consultation with their local area coordinator or planner during their next plan review. While their vouchers remain valid, these participants will continue to get their hearing services from the HSP. And the NDIS may fund supports that are not available to them through the HSP. Once their voucher expires or is cancelled, any hearing services will need to be included in their NDIS plan. We encourage you to discuss the hearing services you need at your next scheduled NDIS plan review. Visit the NDIS website at ndis.gov.au/hearing supports to learn more.